Today we'll be looking at products that we can sell using the e-commerce business model in Nigeria. So I've basically gone to find products that you can actually sell using the e-commerce business model that I've showed you how to do. If you haven't seen that video, go check out my last video. But basically, I just did some research. I didn't even go that deep. I didn't dig that deep, but I found some products that have a lot of potential which I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. And these products are actually very easy to source. You can easily get them using the site I talked about, which is gg.ng. And I'm also going to be kind of giving ideas on how you can go ahead to promote these products if you decide to pick anyone and you want to sell it. So let me know if this is a nice idea, and I would probably make more videos like this where I go out and I find products for you and I tell you how to go ahead and market them. So the first product we have here today is the wireless doorbell. You can simply go to gg.ng and search for wireless doorbell. Now, wireless doorbell, I know there was a time, I remember when I was still little, that this product was actually trending, and right now is a product that is actually still trending. So a wireless doorbell is basically a doorbell that has two components. There's the wireless part that you keep like outside or at your door, and then the indoor units that you keep inside like your room or your corridor, so that when somebody comes to visit you, they simply press it and then they get alerted to your you get alerted to their presence and you can come check the door. So this product actually is a nice one. It's something that you can actually sell. And if I was going to sell this product, I'll basically come from the angle of convenience, not having someone like bash on your door. They just click on the bell and then you hear it wherever you are, and it's loud, so it's quite convenient. And it basically makes your life easier. Remember what I said in the last video, that you want to go with a product that falls into one of the four categories I talked about. If you want to know what those categories are, go watch that video. But I talked about the four categories that you must make sure your product falls under if you want to get a lot of sales. So this particular product fits into that model, the wireless doorbell. Very neat product. You can go ahead and check it out after this video. The next product we're going to look at is the motion sensor toilet seat light. So motion sensor toilet seat light is essentially a device that, as you can see in the pictures here, you basically use it to add some kind of glamour and life to your bathroom. Most people's bathrooms are very dull, they are very, very ugly looking, but using this motion sensor light, you basically add some razzmatazz to your bathroom. The kind of thing that visitors will see and they'll be like, wow, I need to have this for myself. So that's basically what this motion sensor toilet seat light does. And because it's motion sensor, it means that it's only when it detects a human presence, that's when the light is going to come on. So the battery is not being wasted. Once you leave that vicinity, the light goes off. So you can actually get this product. You can see is pretty much on the affordable side. You can get a couple of them and you can even market this without even running ads. So another benefit to this product is that you don't even need to run adverts. You can just promote the product as they are, and people will be interested enough to actually go ahead and buy it. These are the kind of products that you can take into a gathering, let's say a school or church, basically where people gather together. Anywhere you see people gathering, or even the office, it's kind of products that people would be interested in buying. So that's another benefit I need to point out about these products. They are not super expensive, that they are out of the reach of normal people, and they are not so cheap that people will be like, oh, it doesn't really make sense to even try them out. So the prices are at a good spot that you can actually convince people to go ahead and use them. So that's the second product, the motion sensor toilet seat light. Now, the third product that we're going to look at is the Bluetooth tracker. Okay, the Bluetooth tracker. Now, this product has a lot of benefits, especially first of all in this period where there's a lot of insecurity, a lot of uncertainty in the economy, in the environment, and people misplacing their way, or getting lost, getting kidnapped, that sort of stuff. this comes very much in handy. So that already is a way of marketing the product. If you want to market this product, you can say the product is basically going to help you, find lost items or lost people. You can place it on someone and, you'll be able to track them. That's a marketing angle that you can come from. You can also sell it to, people that have cars, right? So they can use it to track their cars, that sort of thing. They can just hide it in their car. It's not like a normal car tracker that, car thieves will be able to identify. You can just stay hidden and you can use it to identify wherever your car is. So yeah, the tracker, very, very important, super important in these times that we are. And there are various types of trackers. So some of these trackers are on the expensive side. What I would encourage you to do is go over the complete category. As you can see, there's one here that goes for just 2,000 naira. So you can actually explore. There are different options, there are different categories of trackers that you can find inside this under this Bluetooth tracker section. Just check out all of them and then you decide on the one that you want to go for. This is a product that will sell itself, right? It's a product that will sell itself. You don't need to, go out of your way to do something crazy. Just by talking about the product and what it does, people would already be interested and people would be willing to, spend money on finding out what the product is. In fact, I actually saw a video not too long ago where somebody, did a video with a tracker. Very, very creative video, very creative. It just showed, the benefits of having a tracker on you, and I'm sure that person will have sold a lot. So it's something that I can get creative around. Just take the idea and run with it. All right. So that's the third product here, the Bluetooth tracker. The next product we have here is the Blackhead remover. So this one is basically for the ladies that want to feel good and look good, ladies that have, pimples and, stuff like that on their face. This Blackhead remover is basically a suction vacuum, right? It's a suction vacuum that you use it to remove blackheads and pimples. If you don't know what blackheads are, they are those things that appear like when you have pimples, by the time the pimples are going, that stuff that stays back, yeah, those are called blackheads. I think so. So there are devices that you can actually use to remove those blackheads. The thing works like a suction cup. You just place it over the blackhead and then you suck it out. So you can see there's different types here. This one goes for 5,000. All right, you can see. And if you keep on scrolling, you see ones that are cheaper. You can see this one is 4,000. So these are different types of the pimple and blackhead remover. How to market this product? You basically sell it to to ladies that want to look good, and you can also sell this in wholesale to people that have beauty shops, those that do manicure, pedicure, all those sort of beauty procedures and things like that. Those kind of people would buy this thing from you. And then because they have customers to sell to, they can sell to their customers for like 10,000 or 15,000. Those people have money to spend. But you that are selling it, you can sell it maybe like 7,000 or 8,000 or 9,000 and make your money quickly. All right. So that's the fourth product, the blackhead remover. And then for number 5, we have the portable diffuser. In fact, any diffuser at this point, right? Any type of aroma diffuser, any portable diffuser is going to fall under this category. So recently, yeah, I've been seeing a lot of ads for diffusers, and I checked them out. And interestingly, it seems like there's a lot of people that are buying this, especially during this season right now. Yeah, there's a lot of people that are opting for aromatherapy, using essential oils, and basically these people are using diffusers. So you can actually market diffusers right now because they're pretty good for the season that we're in. Most people are moving away from harmful chemicals for making their room or their home smell nice, and they're going for natural, sweet smelling, essential oils which they can diffuse the scent all over the house. So you can actually market this to different people. Right? You can market this to offices, you can market this to homes, you can market this to even hotels, right? Those are places that you can market it to without even running ads. Imagine you get a contract to supply, diffusers to a hotel, and they book you to help them supply this to all their rooms. That's a lot of money for you right there. So these aroma diffusers or portable diffusers, they are very good right now. They are actually trending right now, and you can actually go ahead to make a lot of money selling these diffusers. You can also sell the portable diffusers or the car diffusers to people that have cars as well, for their cars to always be smelling nice, that sort of stuff. This is a product that they are going to love, especially since it's something that most people don't know about, right? It's not something that has gone very, very viral, so a lot of people don't know about it and they'll be willing to actually check it out. So, this is the fifth product, the portable diffuser. And to add a bonus product to this, I'm going to talk about the portable blender. Okay, so most of you might have actually seen this product, the portable blender. And the portable blender, the idea behind it is just as the name implies, it's a portable USB fruit blender that you simply add fruits and then you blend your fruits on the go, right? You can have your juices, you can have your smoothie on the go. And interestingly, this is actually a product that I have seen a brand. There was a brand that actually took this product and they built a whole business out of it. Right? Let me show you what the brand is. The name of the brand is called BlendJet, right? So I discovered this brand and I saw they have a verified page on Instagram and they have over 500,000 followers, right? They have over 500,000 followers just selling what? Just selling this one product, this particular blender. So they basically took the blender and they customized it, they branded it in their own name, and then they built a full business out of it. When I saw this, I was like, wow, this is next level thinking. So you can actually take any of the ideas that I've shared with you. This is just to show you that these ideas actually work. It's all about people being smart about it and going out of their way to implement the better parts of the ideas. Some other person might have seen this product and just be like, oh, let me do the normal promotion, let me just maybe run adverts or just do one or two things and drop the products down. But this company actually took this blender and built a whole brand around it. That is insane, right? A whole brand that is verified on Instagram and has over 500,000 followers, guys, just from this particular one product that you can see here that costs less than 10,000. You can see it's 3,500, 5,000, 4,000. So you can see they took just this one product and built a whole business around it. So you can actually sell a product like this. If you want to go ahead and brand it, that's also a possibility, but that would involve a lot of money. But if you're just getting started, this is something you can try out. Start selling. You can sell maybe 20 pieces first. You can sell 50. You can sell 100. And then as you scale up from there, you can decide to then, put your own branding on it. A simple way to actually do this, if you don't want to go all out and, engrave your name on the product, is you can even create stickers, right? Guys, this is all about using your brain, all about using your sense. You can actually create stickers and put on the product so that it has your own name and then you can sell it. So how to market this product? I've already showed you how one brand took this product and built a business around it, but you can actually offer this as a gift item. So people can put it as a gift item, to colleagues or even to weddings. They can basically offer it as a souvenir, or even like, when children are graduating classes, they can offer this as a souvenir to people. So those are the ways that you can actually market any of these products without even investing any money on advert. So that's basically the video. I just came up with this from not doing a lot of research, and I'm very sure if I go deep down, I'm going to find a lot more products like this ones for you. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this, and if you want to see more videos like this, just let me know in the comments. And I didn't say this at the beginning, but don't forget to subscribe if you like videos like this. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and I will see you guys in the next one. Okay, take care.